This is the Frugal Gardener. I want to tell you a quick story. About a year and a half ago, I went to this place, for lack of a better word, I'll call it a flea market, and I saw this shade cloth. I recognized it immediately, and it was wrapped up, so I couldn't tell how long it was, how big it was, how wide it was, but I knew one thing. It was only $5. And at $5, I knew I couldn't go wrong. So I took it home, and I didn't open it until last summer. And boy, was I surprised. Turns out this is only about 6 feet wide, but it's about 60 feet long. You heard me right. It's about 60 feet long. This was probably for a commercial farm or a homestead, or it might have been custom made, I'm not sure. But if you are familiar with my channel, you know that my gardens are spread out, so I don't have any one space I can use this. But what I decided to do was cut it, and I'm going to use part of it not for my plants, but for me. It's been getting hot. It's been in the 90s, and a couple of years ago we had a gathering. It was a cookout, and we had a bunch of people, and the gazebo wasn't cutting it. So we brought this thingamabob here, and basically what it does, the tarp that goes over it, the covering, I don't know what you call the thing that goes over top of to give you the shade, it ripped before the sun was out. I didn't want to throw this away, and now I'm glad I didn't, because I'm going to open this bad boy up. I'm going to measure this out, and I'm going to put this over my workstation, and then I'm going to cover it with a portion of this shade cloth, and then the rest I'll use for my garden. I already have one, so this is my second one. I think I have two. At any rate, that's what's on the agenda for today. There's other things going on, but I wanted to keep this short, so I'm about to get to work, and I'll see you guys on the next video.